clothes, scrappers. I went and picked up a stove on my riding lawnmower across town about 3 miles away. And I got a hot water heater to go back. I got to make a separate trip for each one. Think I can make it through here? Oh, nope. I'm about to back him up, go the other way. My blades were hitting. I have to go around that way. All the way around. I come down that big hill up there, and when I made the first turn, the trailer was on 2 wheels. It was on 2 wheels, about tipped over. My buddy had to grab it. I came down right there. I gotta try a different route here. I won't make it off over there. I had to go down here. I came down that big hill right there. We'll go this way. It's getting dark now. By the time I get back to get that hot water heater, it'll be dark. So I won't be able to record that. I figured I'd just let you guys see what I was doing. It's the first nice day we've had. Tomorrow's gonna be nice. But I gotta go cut a tree tomorrow, I think. I'll also do that. Cut trees, I scrap, binder, sell, fix it. I do pretty much everything. Let's see, how can we get out down here? We gotta go across that bridge. No, we can go this way, I think. There's a bridge there. I think we can go this way. I had a flat tire. I had to go get a go-kart tire put on it just to get home. Look at that, guys. That's downtown where I live at. When I was growing up younger, 8, 9 years old, this was a big sewage. Let's stop a minute. This down here, none of this was here. The baseball fields were here. It's where I used to play baseball when I was younger, a little kid. There's the fields. None of this, all this over here was not here. This was a big sewage. Orangeburg sewage, they turned into a beautiful skate park. I got another park over there, this big little fountain lake here, pond, whatever you want to call it. That bridge over there, I don't know if you can see it. It's beautiful down here now. I never imagined that they'd be able to do that out of what it was. But we're headed this way, hopefully I can get out over here. Barricades. They built them were big duplexes. Them wasn't there. In the last 20 years, since when I was younger, this town has completely transformed and changed. I mean, you just wouldn't believe it. Probably not like any other city or town ever. It's unreal how much they changed down here. Let's see if we can get through here. I really don't want to go up this big hill, but it'll be alright. I got this mower for free, guys. When I got it, I put a battery in it, new spark plug, fired right up. Changed the tires, of course. It made up a hill like nobody's problem. It cuts, it works fine. Ain't nothing wrong with this mower. Like I was telling you before, everything I got pretty much got for free. Finding. whole life. I live in Ohio. I moved to Ohio when I was younger for a few years, but no place like home. I do want to get out of here though. Alright guys, I'm going to bore you to death. I think I'm going to pick up. I got about, I don't know, I got 3 streets to make it to, and I'll be at the house. And I'll pick up from there.